War Day number 749 days ago, the war started in Ukraine. Hello everyone, welcome today on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, March the 13th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the 3 stars Sudoku. We have also a 4 stars and the binary. And this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have a 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, right now, I will start with the first regular puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 8181. Double 81 we have here. Double 81. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Yes, 27. Should be an easy one, because usually for 3 stars puzzle, we have 25 printed digits. This one has 2 printed digits more. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, don't think it's a 3 stars. I think it's a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about there's a lot of 6s, but I cannot. No, let me start with the 5. 5 in this column. Last column. 5 in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. Then 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Then let me see. 1. Need a 1 there. Yeah. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 5 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this column. Correction column, third column. So no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Need a 8 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Alright. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Well. 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 here. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 4, it should be there. Well. 3 missing numbers now in this last row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 in the last row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Need a 5 here. So then 2 numbers left. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright, and now 3, 3. Need a 4 here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only place level 4 should be there. So the 2 and the 5 are missing. 2 missing numbers in this third column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Need a 2 here. Okay, and now 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. We have a 7 and the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing here. Well. So now 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are not used. Not used. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Come on. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Shoot it down. So the 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Need a 9 here, okay. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Yeah, let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 now in the second column. So no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5, okay. How about, need a 7 here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then, let me see. Need 8 here. 1 box left in this row for the mod. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Well, we have a 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. I've marked this box with 1 or an 8. So this box should be an 8 then. And that box in the last row should be a 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Alright. 1 box left now in this row. For number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 7, we have a 2 now in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this last column. 7 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Did you know 4, number 7? Alright, here. 1 and the 6 are left here. Let me mark those. I need a 9 here. Yep. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Here also 1 and a 6 are left. We have a pair here. Alright. We have a 9. Oh. Here need a 9. That means this box should be a 9. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 9. Here we have a 9. That means in the middle column we need a 9 here. Well, 2 numbers left here. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. I've marked this box with 8 or a 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright. Then, 2 numbers left in the second row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column. So, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the last 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 8 and the 6. 8 and the 6, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there, finishing 13 minutes. Well, faster than 50 minutes. So, told you, should be a 1 star. Not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars. A 1 star. Maybe it's a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. Yeah, should be a 0 stars. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.